Hello everyone, make this square pattern in the middle of the head and then make 2 braids out of it. Arrange them as such. As for the rest of the hair, zigzag it and pattern it as such. Make 2 braids. Start off by taking a section off the front and then make a braid out of it. Using your fingers, loosen the strands of the braid. Make a thicker braid at the bottom, crisscross it and roll it upwards. Pin it in place. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 3 parts. At the bottom, make 3 divisions out of it, add multiple rubber bands and tie it upwards. Make 2 braids on the side, make it a bun. Tie your hair into a ponytail and then make 3 braids out of it. Taking one of the braids, roll it. Start off by taking a section off the front. Make 2 braids out of this section. Make another braid underneath it. Tie a ponytail, then add a rubber band in the middle. Take 2 more sections and then wrap it around the central section that you have made. Repeat this until you reach the bottom. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail, add a ribbon through the hair. Taking one section of the hair, make a braid out of it, roll it upwards into a bun. Diagonally divide the hair into 2 portions. At the bottom, add multiple rubber bands and then join it to the top ponytail. Braid it, roll it. Thank you for watching.